Now I've got with me Rai Parkle, India's leading trampoline gymnast over here from Rai Parkle RM Private Limited. So Rai, you are over here at Rosemark Navi Mumbai Premier League. So how would you like to describe your journey?
My journey in trampoline gymnastics have built with strong discipline, risk and passion. From the earlier stages itself, Rosemark has been my constant support system, believing in my potential and helping me with the right guidance, structure and infrastructure, which made me grow and play at more higher level. And from their encouragement, I stayed more consistent, confident, and started feeling more good and confident as I had a back supporting system from Rosemark. And yes, that's the thing.
Yeah, as you mentioned that you had a backing from Rosemark. So you've come over here on the field over here. So how much it has excited you?
I think NMPL is not just a cricket league, it's a platform that celebrates the talent, the discipline and the grassroots sports culture, and we have more talented athletes here which has played under 19 team also, which is Siddharth Akre, for example, Gaurav Jathar and Prem Devkar. They have played under 19 and it's truly inspiring to have such players in this season. So I think it's a very great initiative from Rosemark NMPL season, which has grassroots level athletes and helps them to grow and nurture.
And as being a sports woman over here, so what's the message you want to give to the young athletes?
I think it's very simple that stay consistent, stay disciplined, never stop believing in your game. It's not just about cricket or playing cricket at NMPL or trampoline gymnastics. Every success has to meet with passion and opportunity, and Rosemark is the platform which also gives you that opportunity and makes it real. And I'm very grateful and thankful to Rosemark who has helped me through every thick and thin, and my every achievement reflects a strong backbone and trust from Rosemark. So yes, I'm very grateful from them. That's it. Thank you.
How do you see Rosemark NMPL contributing to the sports industry in India?
I think platforms like Rosemark give visibility, more creates a platform, gives visibility, and they help the grassroots sports. And it's very important that from all the backgrounds athletes comes and grow at a higher level. So I think platforms like Rosemark's actually gives you and creates a good platform and availability and visibility. I think yes.
Thank you for talking to us. Over to Combox.